Hey, what's going on, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and this is the Cameronlimitless podcast. In this one, we're going to be going over which is the best email marketing tool to use for your internet business. And really, I want to cover some of the basic best practices and then why you should have your own professional domain, and then the number one recommended tool and why it is the number one recommended tool for Team Limitless. So, basically, I want to go into having a professional email set up because whenever you're got your own business, you might have like your business name at yahoo.com, which is great. That's fine. You can do that at the start. But whenever you go into email marketing, you can't really use a specific generic email to send out mass emails, because when you do that there, it's gonna have a bad effect on your deliverability, and it's not very good practice. It's better whenever you have your own domain, private email domain, like contact@cameronlimitless.com or your name at yourdomain.com, and it's very simple to get that set up. You can get one of them with your domain register. Now, whenever you have that domain set up and you have your own private email domain, it looks a lot better for your customers and people like that there who are looking into your business or receiving emails from you. At least it looks like you know what you're doing when it comes to your business online, and it's very, very important to have a professional email domain set up. Number one reason is because it's your own IP, and when you look after your own IP, the email hosting companies that are receiving your emails, like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, they look in favour whenever you're sending out mass emails like that there, and it's even better whenever you get people to reply to you. So whenever you get more engagement, then it gives you a better deliverability rate and things like this here. So it's important to have these here things, thinking about these things whenever you're going to do your email marketing. Now, the number one recommended tool that we use in Team Limitless is a software called ConvertKit, and you can go ahead and check out ConvertKit at cameronlimitless.com/ConvertKit. It's my affiliate link, and I'll receive a commission if you go and check out the software. But basically, the reason why it is hands down the best is because it's got really, really user-friendly interface, and if you're new to email marketing, it basically has the main functions that you just need, nothing more, nothing less, and it's simple and it's really easy to use. So this is one of the reasons why ConvertKit is hands down one of the best ones. And if you can go straight to ConvertKit and check out their software and email marketing, but if you go to my link, cameronlimitless.com/ConvertKit, ConvertKit, it's my special affiliate link. It'll be a little squeeze page type thing. It'll ask you, are you an existing business owner or not? You'll fill out the little form and you'll get yourself a free account. Now, this is one of the reasons why ConvertKit is hands down one of the best ones as well, because it just recently brought out a free plan where it can compete with the likes of MailChimp. But MailChimp is nowhere near anything as powerful as ConvertKit. ConvertKit look after their IP and how they're sending out emails and who is actually sending emails from. Where MailChimp, another alternative where you can create a free account and start building your list and sending emails, it's not as good as ConvertKit. It's more for like general, everybody is in that pool, and loads of people from everywhere are just going in there and they're sending out emails. MailChimp doesn't really have a good deliverability because it hasn't really looked after that there. It's really went for the masses, where ConvertKit's more for specific content creators, and then it looks after who's sending out their emails so that their IP address is really good. Then they get their emails delivered, which is really, really the most important thing when it comes to email marketing. Another really good thing, like I said, it's got in there nothing more, nothing less than what you need for email marketing. Now, we could go and start going off on a tangent of, email marketing here, but basically, there's really only a few things that you need to cover when it comes to emails. So, what you can do with ConvertKit is you can build a landing page for free. You can go to there, create a free account just like you could in MailChimp, but landing pages on ConvertKit you can build for free are a lot nicer looking than the ones in MailChimp, and they are, I would say, easier to create a nicer looking landing page. So if you're an existing business owner and you don't have an email marketing strategy, I would highly encourage you to go and check out Cameronlimitless.com/ConvertKit. Create yourself a free account, and you don't have to pay anything depending on what you want to do. If all you want to do is build a little landing page for yourself and build your email list and then send out broadcast emails, which is just an email, you write it physically and send it out to everybody at once, you can do all that for free inside ConvertKit's free plan. Now that's one of the main functions of an email autoresponder, is being able to send out a broadcast email. Now what you can do as well, which we would encourage you to do at Cameron Limitless, is to have sequences set up, and this is where you can really start to automate stuff. So for example, when someone opts into your landing page, they can get an email that's already set up and automated to talk about what they just opted in for the next 5 days, or for as long as you want, which is really, really cool. Really, really cool thing as well to do with ConvertKit. I haven't seen it really much on other ones, but it's the ability to be able to segment your list really, really effectively. Because with other softwares, it's like when someone opts in, then if they opt in again, it might create another profile for them, and then you could end up with, for example, with GetResponse, you could end up with twice as many subscribers, but really, it looks like you've got twice as many subscribers, but it could be the same subscriber subscribed a couple of times. Now, it's not really effective because you're going to be paying for the extra subscribers. With ConvertKit, you only have one subscriber per email. So if they opt again and again later, they could get assigned a tag, and then you could tag people based on different things that they opt in for. Also, at the same time, you can segment your list. So people who are in different automations, you can have them segmented into like an engagement segment. So these people are all engaged, and that should be your goal, is to get the people who aren't engaged on your email into the engaged part. And you can do that effectively by sending broadcast emails that have tags in them. So when people get engaged with your email, they get assigned a tag and then they get put into an automated sequence, which is really, really effective and cool, and something that I can't see you do with any other email marketing softwares out there. Now, we can get really advanced with this type of stuff, but I want to keep it really simple for you, because as what email marketing is, it's really simple, and all it is just like writing a little like message or a little letter out to your friend, but except it's all virtual. Now, like I said, we could go really advanced and things like that there, but something that ConvertKit has the ability to do is something that's really, really cool, is that I could grab one of my automated sequences out of my account and give you the link, and you could take that link, click on it, and it would download the whole sequence into your account without you having to do anything. It's almost like what ClickFunnels done with funnels. It's like I can build a funnel and have a funnel that's mine, and I can share it with you, and you can have the same funnel in your account without having to do really any additional work. All you'd have to do is click the button and it downloads it into your account. ConvertKit offers the same type of thing. You can build a sequence out, which I've already done for my students, and then given them a link where you can download that whole sequence that's already pre-built for you. Now, if you're wanting to know where these types of things are kept, I keep them inside the Team Limitless Inner Circle Vault, and that's only available for people who are members of the Limitless Money Hub. Whether or not you're an advanced member or you're just a gold member. So gold members get access to the Team Limitless Inner Circle Vault, and that's where I'll give you like your whole full automated sequence, and you can download it into your account and change up the words. It's really, really effective, and it's something that's great for helping people get started. So if you want access to the Limitless Money Hub and get access to the Inner Circle Vault, where I can give you all my done for you templates that you can just click a button and it'll download 3 sequences into your account already pre-done, and all you have to do is change up the words to your own product or service that you're going to be emailing people about. Now these are automated sequences, like I said, and this will be for more an advanced plan. But if you just want to get started with email marketing, I would just encourage you to make sure you have a private email domain, and then you would want to get a free account with ConvertKit. Then build your landing page for free, send your visitors to that landing page, and build your list. And once you build your list, you can send out broadcast emails, all completely free, up to 1,000 subscribers. So that's why I think that ConvertKit is one of the best ones. It's super simple to use. It's got the most important parts when it comes to email marketing. Nothing more, nothing less. It's really effective to use in that sense compared to GetResponse. When you go into GetResponse, you've got all these options, and it's not really as fast as what ConvertKit's like. Because when you go to ConvertKit, you just go boom, broadcast, opens up the broadcast, type in your email, boom. It's really, really fast, and it can help you be really productive with your email marketing strategies. And this was my number one recommended tool for email marketing, which was ConvertKit. If you want to get started for free, get a free account, start building your list up to 1,000 subscribers, create a landing page, send broadcast emails, all for free, go to Cameronlimitless.com/ConvertKit. It's my affiliate link. If you do decide to go for the automations later on, which I would encourage you to do, I will make a little commission on that there if you decide to keep using the software. And this is what I wanted to share with you. Also, if you want to get access to all the done for you email templates, the 3 of them, there's the first engagement one, there's the welcome one, and then there's a funnel stack one. I've built them all for you, and you can get them email done for you templates that you can just click a button and it'll download them straight into your ConvertKit account. You can get them at limitlessfuture.club/vault. If you go there, it'll take you to the place of where you can get access to the Team Limitless hub, and you'll be able to get access to the Inner Circle Vault there, where it has more resources than that. It has all your email templates, it has all your funnel templates, it has full training in there as well, and additionally you'll get a lot of other bonuses, as well as a course that I've just recently finished as well. And this was my number one recommended tool for email marketing and some email marketing 101s. And I hope you love email marketing as much as I do, because it's the thing that you can have set up and have automated, and it can be working for you in the background day in, day out, day in, day out. The automated side, bringing you in sales and customers and working for you like a little workhorse over and over and over again. And for the effectiveness that email marketing has, because you're able to build something there of value, which is your database and customer list and information that you can reach out to people based on, and kind of like what Mark Zuckerberg does, but it's a super inexpensive tool, and it's super effective. And the advancements in technologies in the last 10 years have steered more and more towards email marketing than anything else. And email marketing is not here to go away anytime soon. It's here to stay. More and more people are getting emails every day. And if you go back and watch one of my older videos, I know this is the podcast, but if you go back and watch one of my older videos, I talk about the what is it? Email marketing benefits and what is it? I can't remember now. Oh well. Anyways, I hope you like this podcast, and we'll hear from you in the next one. Email marketing, super important tool when it comes to building your internet business, and like I says, it's one that's here to stay. And that was it. There was reports done on email marketing, and majority of marketers or return on their investment in businesses comes from their email marketing strategies. See, when you send someone to your landing page and you opt in and then they purchase, majority of your sales don't come from there. The majority of your sales come from the follow-up, and that's based on your email marketing. And that's where over 60% of your profit is going to come from. It's via email marketing. Also, in today's day and age, more and more people love receiving emails from their favorite brands about new products and services. So people actually love receiving these emails, and it's really cool tool. I hope that you like this here, and we'll see you in the next Team Limitless podcast. Have a great one.